Freenom, and been having problems with this. Not available, not available, not anything I look up. I've almost quit on this project of getting a free domain because Freenom is the only one really, as I've looked. The alternatives all are cheap but not actually free. Anyway, so as you can see, not available, not available, not available, when I'm pretty certain they are. Pretty certain that's all. So if you're having this same problem, type the same thing in and add the extension. So .cf, I see there's one there. .cf, and you type it all in this time, the full thing, check availability. It always goes to that, so here we go, and I've got it. Even though it said not available before, when you put the full thing in, selected, and then you can go to checkout, which would be completely free. I've done it before, I found it on that. The first one, 3 months free from, well, you can change that to whatever you wanted. But that's the way you're doing it. Search, see what all they are with the extensions, and then type it again and you'll get it. Okay.